In this video, I'll show you how to remove your old toilet seat so you can put a new one. This will work with most big brands' toilet seats. So let's get started right away. So the first step is to close completely the toilet seat, and you'll notice there is two hinges here. Most toilet seats have a plastic cap over a screw here. Maybe you'll need a flathead screwdriver to pop this cap off. This one, you just need to twist it to the left side this way. You see, I'll do the same way on the other side. Sorry if it's very disgusting. And now all you have to do is to grab the seat on one side like this, and you'll need to pull it off until you hear it pop out. Do the same thing on the other side. Here we go. And for now you can take this toilet seat and put it aside. The next step is to remove these two plastic attachments here. And for this you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, just like this one. You'll need to insert it. With one hand you'll need to hold the nut that is on the other side and unscrew with the screwdriver, counterclockwise. Once you're done, here is the nut that was under, by the way. It's just a regular plastic nut. And now all I have to do is to remove this thing. Repeat the same exact process for the other side. Here we go. Remove this plastic screw there. And you're done. All you have to do now is to clean this, disinfect, because it will probably be super gross. In another video, I'll install a metal hinge toilet seat to replace this one, but for now we're done on this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one.